welcome back to our YouTube channel. Please like, share, comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe to stay tuned for all of our latest videos. So today we're going to be talking all things tape-ins. For our first set, it's going to be our raw loud wavy, and our second is going to be our raw curly wave tape-in. What you need to know. Yummy tape-ins is a semi-permanent installation method made with medical-grade adhesive that will allow users to add instant volume and length without tracks or braids. They are incredibly easy to apply and remove, won't damage hair, and leaves zero residue. The installation process can be done in less than an hour without tools or heat. Tape-in extensions must be applied and removed by a trained licensed cosmetologist, and it can last between 8 and 10 weeks with proper care. Each bundle comes with 40 tape-ins, which equates to 20 sandwiches. The bundles are going to be weighing in at 100 grams with a tape width of 1.5 inches. Okay, so now I want to dive into all the questions that our yummy girls have about these tape-ins. Question number 1, do tape-ins cause damage to the hair? Tape-in extensions should not cause any damage to the hair when applied by a trained professional, although those with sensitive scalps are discouraged from getting tape-in extensions. Number 2, can I heat style my tape-ins? Hot styling tools can be used on tape-ins, but it is best to avoid the root area so it doesn't break down the bond of adhesive. Next, are tape-in replacements available? Replacement tape-ins are not available at the moment, but they are in production, so make sure you're a part of our Yummy Insiders list to stay tuned for any updates. Will Yummy offer any other textures in our tape-ins? I cannot stress this enough. Make sure you're signed up for our Yummy Insiders list because they are expected to be launched soon, so any updates will be text or emailed to you. Last, most frequent question. How many sets do I need? Well, the number of sets will depend on how much volume you're wanting to achieve, but if you want a full look, we do recommend using 2 sets, which is 80 pieces of clip-ins, equating to 40 sandwiches. And yeah, that'll give you all the fullness that you need. It just depends on preference. So that wraps up today's video. If you have any other questions, be sure to comment down below. Make sure you're following us on TikTok, Instagram, subscribe here, stay tuned, you don't want to miss this. Thank you for being a yummy girl. We'll see you in our next video. Bye.